farm, Harmattan decided to come again in January. Since yesterday, the day before yesterday, Harmattan has been killing us. Everywhere is dried. So let's look for that thing now. I'm using it, that beige color. I'm using this to make shirt for my husband. That's not the perfect color. Big cotton that is very expensive. It's my husband. So husband drove me to the yarn store to get yarn, so I'm going to do a little bit of yarn unboxing for you all this morning when I get home. I got some yesterday. I'm going to show you guys that when I get back home. So guys, as you can see, my weight loss is working. Like my face is trimmed down, my neck is now, formerly I used to have this fat that just falls down like this on my face, but now it's gone. So let me just bring out what is in the boots. So far, this is the yarn I got yesterday. It's milk cotton yarn. This is 3 ply, which means 2 of this will give us 6 ply, but I'm going to be using just one strand to make the top I want to make this. So I got 6 of it. This is what you can see arranged here. So this is like my yarn stash. These ones here, I'm using it for that project that I showed you guys in this vlog. That project you saw me putting on my body. This is the yarn I'm using for that project, and that project is my birthday dress. That's what you saw me putting on my body, trying to size it up. And I'm almost done with the top because it's a dress, so I'm almost done with the top side of the dress. Then I'm going to go down to the gown parts. So I'm trying to build a yarn stash for myself. As a crochet artist, you need to have a stash, as in places where you keep yarns and all of those good stuff. So the cupboard I'm using for this yarn stash is Prosper's wardrobe, but since it's not around, I am now using it for my yarn stash until I'm able to make or buy a shelf, like a craft shelf I can put on the wall. So I got this yarn this morning, lilac yarn. I'm going to be wearing something purpley tomorrow, so I want to make a scarf with it today, and I'm possibly going to be using just 2, but I got half pack because 2 of it is as if I'm being cheated. So I just got to buy half pack. So I'm going to be arranging this. A half pack of 𝑦𝑒 wool is 8 pieces because a pack is 16 pieces. So you see why I said it's going to look like a cheating if I don't buy the half pack. So I just kept it in my yarn this thing. So see what I have here. See, I've arranged it. My yarn stash is getting full. So we're not yet there.